Hello, my name is Kate, and today I'd like to tell about my Capstone project, Kaggle Data Pipeline, and then the scraping project. So my first project, Kaggle Data Pipeline, based on the global superstore dataset from Kaggle. This project shows how I can work with real world data, how to load, clean, analyze, and visualize it using Python and Pandas. So my first step was cleaning the data. First, I loaded the dataset and checked the structure. Then I cleaned the data. Here, here I show how I clean the data. I converted the date columns to datetime format. Then I removed extra space from column names and text values. Then made sure numbers like sales and profit were in the right format. Then I removed any duplicate rows. The data then was clean and ready for analysis. My next step was feature engineering. I created new columns to better understand the data and for the future insight. I instructed the year and month from the order date. I calculated the gross margin, how much profit the store makes per $1 of sales, and I grouped the discounts into baskets like none, low, medium, and high. So insights. Here is some Here are some of the insights I found. The first is top 10 states by profit. So explanations here. California, New York made the most profit. It's clear because of there are large markets with many customers. Then gross margin by category. We see that technology had the best margin and office supply had lower profit. I don't know, maybe due to how discounts or shipping costs. Then top 10 customers by total profit. A few customers brought in a lot of it, and these customers are very valuable for any loyalty program or special offers, and it's why we need to know these customers. Uh, um, Other insights, profit by discount level. Um, Non-discounts have the highest margin. High discounts have very low or even negative. The explanation and the insights that discounts should be used carefully. And the last one, sales by month. Um, uh, it's clear that sales go up in November and December, probably because of the holiday season, and companies should prepare more inventory and stuff in those months and explanation. That's it for this project. What um, I learned how to deal with data cleaning, feature engineering, visualization, and how to read insights. And these graphs help me to help me to analyze clearly and I believe tell a story with this data. Um, so next, I'd like to introduce my final capstone project, Streamlit dashboard on college baseball players in MLB, where I analyze historical data on college baseball players who made it to Major League Baseball. The main goal of my project was to research American colleges and understand which schools have strong tradition in baseball. I believe this information is very useful for high school athletes who dream of playing professionally. Uh, as I understand, if a college sends players to MLB, that means great coaches, infrastructure, high competition level, and good connection with MLB. So I collect the data. I found a link about colleges. Each college has its own page, and each player has own its own has own play page. And I use Selenium to scrape the name of colleges, all players from each colleges, and the year when they played. This part was challenging because different pages. I had to write different scraping rules, and to avoid getting blocked by the website, I need to add a delay. So this is when then I did after scraping, I cleaned the data, then removed duplicates and missing values, converted years to numbers, stored everything in database. This is the main view. I show a table with college names and how many players came from uh, um, on the left side. User can filter by the college. For example, this college particular and player count, and yeah. Also, it's available search by player's name. It's useful for this part. Here I show information about players uh, in the table view and chart view. On a chart, this chart shows how many players the college produce each year. Let me show you how we can change the range. So the bar on the chart even show the names of the players. When you hover over them, it was interesting to see that colleges have many players sometimes every year. And it could be useful to compare years and do some insights. And the third part in this part, I show you a more nice view. In this part, I grouped the data by college and year and created a colorful bar chart to compare multiple colleges. You can clearly see which school are growing or shrinking in terms of producing MLB players. You can choose any colleges you want and um, change the yarage. So that's it. Thank you so much for listening, and thank you, Code the Dream, for this great course.